Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so can you hear me properly? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. You hear me? I hear you, but there's
Yeah, I
some
can.
noising.
Yeah, I can hear you
There
also.
is some noising.
Okay, okay. Thank you for joining. So
You
basically,
out? You outside? No.
yeah,
I didn't.
just okay. I think some outside noise. Okay, so now it will be okay. Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah,
Yeah. Please.
yeah.
Be
Train
in
is
good place
yeah.
to get. Okay, no problem. If you outside, we.
Let's go. I simply share
Okay.
my screen. Okay, can you see my screen now? Is it visible?
No.
Yeah, so now it's visible, I think. Yeah. Can you see my screen now? Yeah.
Not
Okay.
yet.
Can you see my screen?
No. Yes.
Okay.
Now it is okay, but yes.
Okay. So hi
Sorry,
and welcome for the online training program on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. So basically, I will take all of those things from your course content and then try to complete all of those details, how we can easily
Yeah.
implement all of those things. I hope you can easily do that. And I will provide you all of those recorded video
But
class. Yeah.
please, Rahman,
Yeah, please.
hear me.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see, that is I sent to you before. When we decide to teach me with the 200 riyal, but you told me you didn't teach me with 200. I pay for you $100. So the material must be added because I sent you few topic. So because the money exchange, we can add a new thing to this syllabus. I sent it before. As you see, I will. If you want, I share you what I see.
Okay, so after
Now
completing
I
the
will.
today's session, you can send me. Okay, after completing the today's session, you can send me. Okay. Okay, after completing today's session,
Yes.
you can send me.
We must add. Yeah. We must add a new thing. Now, no problem. You start as normal. You can teach me the Java language as the first, and then we can, but not long. Few things, and we can focus in my topic, in remote sensing and GIS in mineral exploration. It is better for me.
Okay.
I'm
So
focused in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, focus in Saudi Arabia.
okay, I'll
Country.
focus it. There is no problem. But
The
I will
country of
go to the
Saudi.
sequentially one by one. Okay, sequentially we complete one by one. It's also better. So in this time, if I directly start the mineral
No
exploration,
problem. No
so it
problem.
also difficult for you to understand the Google Earth Engine platform.
Yeah.
Okay.
As you.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go. Yeah.
Yes, but I didn't want to teach me something not related to my specialization, like agriculture, and this is a waste of time for me. I saw that.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now we can
Really
continue.
focus
Yeah.
in my yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now we continue because
Yeah.
time is gone.
You
Okay. We
understand me?
continue. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's go.
Okay. No
Okay, so
problem.
first of all, I describe about the course content, which you already sent me. I describe about that. So first of all, you want to know about that. Download the Landsat image and Sentinel image, as well also raster image from the Google Earth Engine platform. How we can easily download the Landsat image, Sentinel image, and Astra image from the Google Earth Engine. Then importing data, how we can easily import the different types of data such as raster data as well as vector data, how we can easily import that. I also tried this. How we can easily clipping the images. Suppose you download the satellite image, now you have to clip. Okay, how we can easily create the mosaic from the composite. Okay, and also make from the image collection, how we can easily create the mosaic. We also try to discuss about that, as well as we also try to discuss about that calculating indices, how we can easily make the different types of indices. It can be NDWI, it can be NDVI, or any kinds of indices, how we can easily calculate. Okay, so just we can put the formula about the indices, we can easily calculate any kinds of indices. Okay, and then computation of image collection. From the image collection, how we can easily computation different types of parameter. We also try to discuss about that. Cloud maxing. So basically, when you want to work with the rainy season image or wet season image, you find some cloud. Okay, this type of cloud we can easily remove using the Google Earth Engine platform cloud max function. We can easily remove all of this cloud and get the very clear satellite images. Okay, I also try to discuss about that. And then how we can easily implement the machine learning, mainly supervised and unsupervised machine learning, and make the land use land cover classification. Okay, using the supervised and unsupervised classification. And then band ratio in mineral exploration. Okay, how we can easily use the different types of band ratio for get the mineral exploration. Different types of mineral. It can be salt, or we can also salinity. So different types of mineral we can easily explore from the remote sensing technique. So I also more focus on this mineral exploration, how different types of remote sensing technique, how we can easily implement in the mineral exploration and use the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, because it is your more concern about this topic for the mineral exploration. After that, principle of component. We also talk about that for the mineral exploration. What is the principal component we need to use, as well as DEM. How we can easily use the different types of DEM and visualize the hill shape map, salt map, aspect map, or any kinds of map. How we can easily visualize in DEM data. As well as we also try to discuss about. Okay, so after that, when I do all of those things, I will provide you all of those practice code. Okay, so that you can easily use this code and for your and get the result for any region. Okay, and you can easily modify this code.
Code and video.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
you can.
Okay. I also recorded the video class also. So after completing this session, I also provide you a recorded video class so that you can easily rewatch the video using the subtitle, Arabic subtitle. You can easily add. I also set the option about the Arabic subtitle option so that you can easily understand all of those lecture. Okay. And I will do all of this example using the Saudi Arabia region. Okay, so our main boundary will be Saudi Arabia. Yeah. So using the Saudi Arabia region, we can do all of this analysis.
Also, I will give you coordinate for some area. We can prepare it for other lecture.
Okay, you can easily do that. There is no problem. I will show you all of those process. Okay. So I hope you can easily understand our thing. Okay. Okay. So let's go. So in this time, we can simply open the code editor and discuss all of those things. I will provide you all of those recorded video class, all of those practice code, so you can easily understand, I hope, all of those details. So let's go. Okay. So I hope you already open the Google Earth Engine code editor. Okay. So simply, you can simply go to this.
I have two laptops. I follow you in this laptop and open the other for to work with you. It is okay?
Okay, that's no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay. So you can see, simply go to this link, code.earthengine.google.com. I simply send you the link in the video comment chat box. I simply send you. Simply go to this link. If you already open the account in Google Earth Engine platform, then simply go to this link. It directly open the code editor. So first of all, we need to select your email address, which email address you need to use to open the Google Earth Engine code editor. Simply continue. Because I use this email address, I simply click to the continue. So now it directly open my code editor. Okay, so this is my code editor. Okay, so can you open this code editor from your computer?
Okay.
Just simply go to this link. It will be open, this code editor. Okay, so
You sent me the link. You sent in WhatsApp,
in the video,
or
okay,
I
I
go
send.
to
Okay, just a
or
minute.
I go to Google. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can send it to save the time.
Okay, send. I send you. You can simply go to this link. Then you can simply get this. Yeah,
Okay.
I send you the WhatsApp. Simply open this and then simply open this code editor. So basically, this is the code editor. In this code editor, we can write our code and get the analysis in here. Okay. Okay. So now you want to work with Saudi Arabia region. Okay. So you want to work for the Saudi Arabia region. So first of all, you have to import the Saudi Arabia shapefile. Okay. So I hope you already know about the
Yeah.
shapefile. What is the shapefile? Okay. Shapefile mainly country boundary shapefile. Okay. So if you want to go to this link, I simply show you that. Suppose Divya GIS. I send you all of this link also. So that you can easily access all of those shapefile. So I simply go to the free special data. Okay, country level data. And here you can see the link about that. So basically from this link, you can easily access all of those country boundary shapefile in the world. All of those country boundary shapefile you can easily access from here. So here you can see, this is the link I already sent you. Simply go to this link.
Yeah.
And then you can see country. Simply select your own
Yeah.
country, which country you want to need. Suppose need the Saudi Arabia. So just I simply open the Saudi Arabia country, find out the Saudi Arabia name. Okay, so yeah, Saudi Arabia, simply select that. And then administrative areas. Okay, then okay. After that, it will be downloaded from here. I simply downloaded, you can see. So now it downloaded. This all of those Saudi Arabia province shapefile, all of those Saudi Arabia state shapefile, all of those level will be downloaded from here. So it will be starting downloading. You can see it will be starting.
Yeah, I
So
started.
yeah. So this is the process how we can easily download the shapefile. So any country we can easily download it. Just simply select the country, then you can easily download. So this is the process for downloading the boundary shapefile. And it's a shapefile. It's called the shapefile. Okay. So this shapefile, you can see I already downloaded. After downloading, I simply open the shapefile. And this shapefile I import in my code editor. Okay, then I show you that how it will be work. So it takes some time for downloading. Yeah,
Teacher, you extract the shapefile or add it as a WinRR?
Okay, I will show you the process step by step. Just a minute. After downloading that, we need to extract it. Mainly unzip this folder or extract it, and then how we can easily upload it. I also show you that. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, downloading. I think some networking issue for that. It takes some time. Okay, it will work just. Okay, so it will be working. Yeah.
I'm finished download. My download finished.
Okay, 20. Okay, 24 seconds left. 16 seconds left. 10 seconds. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm already finished.
Okay, good. Okay, done. So in this time, I simply open this. Click. Open this file. Just I simply open. You can see this file I downloaded. Yeah, this file. Okay. So in this time, this file I need to unzip. So extract it. So for that, I simply you can see extract. I use the same folder name. So I extract it and open this folder. Okay. So this folder is that. I find out the folder. After unzip that. Yeah. So this it's not in unzip folder. I simply unzip. Open the unzip folder. Unzip. Okay. This folder you can say I can get. Okay, so in this time, you can see after unzip this folder or extract this folder, I get all of those files. Okay, so
Yeah.
here you can see it will be 0. Some file showing the 000 and some file also showing the 111.
When?
Okay,
Yeah.
so in this time, what is the 0 and what is the 1 means? 0, it means that it's showing only for the boundary. So there will be a boundary. Only boundary. So there will be a boundary. And 1 showing that all of the Saudi Arabia province, suppose this is the Makkah,
Yeah.
this is the Medina, this is the Jeddah, all of those things we can
Yeah.
get in the 1. And 0 showing only for
Okay.
the boundary level. Okay. So if you want, you can also open this shape file in other software. Suppose QGIS software, I simply open it and show you the software. Suppose I open the QGIS software and display this shape file in the QGIS. So I simply open this shape file and show you that. And after that, we
I
can
have
simply.
I have ArcMap. I have ArcGIS, not QGIS.
And no problem. Okay, just it visualize the shape file only in the outside of the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, it's not need for the mass. So in this time, I just showing that how it will be work. In this time, you can see the 0.dbf, 0 PRJ, 0 SSP, 0 SSX. Okay, so mainly these four file create a one boundary shape file. Okay, these four file dbf, prj, ssp, ssx. dbf it mainly
Yeah.
management the data. dbf data management. prj it mainly control the projection of your shape file. ssp it is a shape file. ssx. So mainly these four file create a one shape file. Okay.
Ah.
Also you can see
Okay.
mainly this four file for one create the one shape file for Saudi Arabia province such as Jeddah, Makkah, all of those province. Okay. So in this time I open the QGIS software and try to show you this. Suppose so for opening that I simply suppose I want to show the only country boundary of Saudi Arabia. Just simply drag and open. Just open it. So you can see it's showing the only for the Saudi Arabia. But when I open the shape file, it's showing the all of those province. You can see all of those province I can got in here.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's showing the visualize about the shape file. Now this shape file I want to import it in my Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. Suppose when I import the only for the cities, then I choose this profile. Okay. Only for the province, all of those province. Suppose you need only for the boundary. So there will be a boundary. Then simply import the 0, all of those 0 file. You need to import this 4 file because it's include only for the boundary of Saudi Arabia. And it's include all of those province of Saudi Arabia. So let's go how we can do that. So just I simply open the code editor and go to the asset tab. You can see asset. Okay. So mainly this asset tab is managing your asset which you upload. So in this time, I want to upload the shape file. You can say shape file. Okay. And shape files combination
Yes.
of SSP, SSX, DVF, and PRJ. These 4 files create
Yeah.
a one shape file. Okay. Just I simply click on
Yes.
here and go to the source file. Source file is mainly your local storage of your computer. Where you got this image. So you can say I simply go to my folder and I want to import the shape file. For that, I simply select DBF, PRJ, SSP, SSX because one shape file combination of 4 files. Okay, I simply open that. It will be added. You can
I
see.
go to asset. I go to asset. New.
Click to the new. Go to the shape file. Shape
Select
file.
upload shape file.
Yeah.
From where? New.
Then
From where? Here. Please. I go to scripts or DOS or assist. Assist
yeah. So in this
to
time,
upload this.
yeah, which you downloaded, go to the source file, which you downloaded, go to this folder and select all of those
Yes.
file.
Yeah.
Okay, done it.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. After
Yeah.
that, you
Let
can
me.
see asset name. Okay, you can use any name in here. There is no problem. I simply put the name. Suppose Saudi Arabia province. You can use any name. There is no limitation. I use this name and click to the upload. Okay, just click the upload. When I upload, click on the upload, it showing the task tab. You can see task tab. Click on the task tab. Now it's showing the progress
Upload.
about the uploading. Task tab showing the progress of uploading. You can see it will be uploaded. So it takes some time for uploading.
No.
Yeah, you
It
can
not
see.
give me. It not give me like that. I upload it. Yes. Now it's good. It is work.
Okay, good.
It is work.
Yeah.
Yes, we can. If it is possible, we can teach me on camera. No problem.
Okay, so it will be
Tomorrow,
working.
not today. Yeah. Now it is good.
Yeah. So now you can see it will be uploading. It will be loading.
Yeah.
You can see.
Yeah.
So after when it will be completely properly uploaded, we can get the right sign, like the right sign. We can get in here
Yeah.
and get the blue color. But when I face any problem, I can get the red alert sign. This is a red color. It's showing that if it will be have any problem. So now it will be working. So after some time, it will be uploaded.
Still it work.
Yeah, still it working. Because it's depend on your file size. It is still working.
Integrate table. Yes, integrate table project errors.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Give me correct that view assist or is it I sent you the
You can
picture.
see now it's successfully imported or uploaded. I can get the right sign in here. Okay. After that, I simply click on here. You can see refresh asset. Okay. Click on the refresh asset.
I sent the picture to you.
Yeah.
Give me
So it's
like
successfully imported. Okay. So now simply refresh. This is the refresh button. Click on the refresh.
Yeah.
And then find out the file
when
name.
I click refresh, yes, in new, yes, user, and so the name, yes.
Yeah, this is it means that you can see it will be successfully imported. Okay, which name I put is Saudi Arabia province. I put this name Saudi Arabia province. Okay, this file is successfully imported in here. Okay, it's successfully done. In this time, simply click on this file. Click on here. Okay, thus you simply click on the
Yes.
name. So now we can get
Yes.
all of this information in here. So here you can see,
Yes.
I can get the attribute table. Okay, you can see in the attribute table, the name one
Yeah.
stored all of those province name. Asir, Al-Babab, you can see Al-Wudud, all of those name we can get in here.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this time,
Yes.
you can see the import button. Okay, this is the import button. So click on the import.
Important.
I stored my shapefile. So now I want to add this shapefile on the map layer. Okay, so for that I need to use a function map dot add layer. Okay, so this is the function map dot add layer. So mainly
Map.
this function display, I also write the comment, display the layer. Okay, display the layer. Use the function map dot add layer. Okay, it mainly display the layer. Okay, so now my shapefile is stored in here ROI. Just I simply write here ROI. Okay, then click to the run. You can see run button. Click on the run. You can see one layer added in here. Okay, one layer added, but I did not see my area. This time I use a function. This function directly focus on the Saudi Arabia function. This function called the map dot center object. Okay, so mainly this function work for center view of shapefile. Okay, center view of the shapefile. I want to center view of the Saudi Arabia shapefile, and Saudi Arabia shapefile is stored in the ROI. Simply copy this variable name and paste here, and click to the run. Okay, just click to the run. In this time, it display the Saudi Arabia shapefile. You can select, and you can also do it from your own site. We can get the all of the Saudi Arabia shapefile with their province.
Let me 1 minute.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Map capital. M capital.
Yeah, M
Map.
capital. Yeah.
Dot center.
O is capital
Dot center.
also.
O capital.
Yeah, O capital.
Yes. No space. No space. Yes.
Yeah. So did you get this map? What look like that map you can get? After click to the run, simply click to the run.
Okay. Let me. ROI. Run. No, it's not give me. Map. Map capital M.
Yeah, it also you can see when you write function name, it's showing the purple color. Okay, you can see this is the purple color. Yeah, because it's the right, and when you make any mistake, then it will be showing the black color. Okay, so now did you visualize this map?
Yes, give me purple color.
Yeah. Okay, so now it will be okay. Yeah.
It may mistake in the.
Okay, so now it will be okay for you. And if possible, can you share the screen which you write the code? Then it also better also check it and find out the problem when you face any problem.
No problem. Okay. Now you start and send me the video. But tomorrow we can work with the camera to go hard. No problem.
Okay.
Yes. You go. I will follow you.
Okay. So now it display the map which I imported in here for the Saudi Arabia, all of this province area. Okay. So now from this province area, you want to display only for the specific province. Suppose I want to work only for the Makkah or other region or other province. I want to work. I need the shape file. I can easily get the shape file from here. Suppose I need the Riyadh. So for that, how we can do that? So for that, you can simply, I also write the comment in here. This comment is that filtering, because I send you the all of this code with the comment so that you can easily understand what is the meaning of the code. So filtering boundary from a shape file. So from the shape file, I want to filter the specific boundary. Suppose Riyadh. So for that, what can I do? Just I take a variable, and before the variable name, put at the var keyword. I put the variable name. You can use any name. Any name you can put. Suppose I put the name is that AOI. You can use any name. Then use the equal sign. Then you have to call the ROI. Okay? Because this ROI is stored all of full shape file. Okay? This ROI is stored the full shape file. Okay? So I simply call the ROI and put here this ROI and use here the filter function. Okay? Then how I can filter? Earth engine filter dot equal. Okay? EQ means equal. Now what's equal what? Just simply go to the attribute table. You can see attribute table and click on the feature. Attribute table and click on the feature. And you can see name one. Okay. So under the name one, we got all of those province name. Okay. So just simply copy the name one.
Yes.
Copy the name one.
Riyadh.
And then
Copy.
paste here. And then also put the comma sign and put here the Riyadh. Riyadh. Okay. So now you can see what happened. I again explain. I take a variable name. Okay. And before the variable name, we must be used at the var keyword. And then put the variable name. This name can be anything. I call the ROI. This ROI is the full boundary shape file of Saudi Arabia with all of those full province. This ROI, I need to filter.
Yes.
Okay. Then how I can filter? Name one column where equal to Riyadh. Okay. So now Riyadh boundary shape file is stored in here. Okay. So now I want to display the layer of the Riyadh. So what function I need to use? Can you guess it? I want to display the layer of Riyadh. So what function I need to use in here? We already used the function. Can you guess it? What's the function I need to use?
Function.
Yeah, because in this time we can say I want to display the layer. Okay, display the layer. We need to use a map.add layer function.
Yeah.
Simply copy the same function.
Yeah. Display.
Because I want to display the Riyadh. Okay, and paste here. And Riyadh, you can see the full things is stored in this variable AOI. Okay, just simply use here AOI. And when I click to the run, it display the two layer. In this time you can see two layer. One layer is showing for the whole Saudi Arabia with all of those province, and another line showing only for the Riyadh. I zoom it.
But not clear, Riyadh, the shape file. You can change the color.
Okay, just a minute. I think I am wrong spelling in here for the Riyadh. Okay, so just I simply check it from the attribute table. What is the name of the shape file of the Riyadh? They are using here. So in this time, okay. So for that, I simply open the attribute table. And okay, yeah, name one, Asir Al Babab, okay, Al Modina. Okay, you can see this name is the
Yeah.
Riyadh. Okay, you have to use the same name. Okay, you have to use the same name, otherwise
Copy.
it not work. So in this time, I simply use the same spelling and same name,
Yeah.
so then it will be work. So AR Riyadh. So I just I add this same name, AR Riyadh. So A and R. Check it.
Riyadh.
From this attribute table, you have to use the same spelling and also same name, otherwise it not work. AR Riyadh. Okay, now it is okay. I simply open it and then click to the run. Okay, click to the run. So now I hope we can also get the two layer. One layer showing for the whole country boundary, all of those province, and another layer showing only for the Riyadh.
Yes.
Okay, why it not working? AR Riyadh. Okay. Okay, I try to use the another name and check it. Suppose I want to find out the shapefile for
Makkah.
yeah, just
Makkah. Simple. Makkah or Jeddah.
Al Madina. Yeah.
You come to Saudi Arabia before, Itcha? You visit Makkah and Al Haram?
Not yet, but inshallah one day I will visit.
Yeah. It is very important to come and make dua.
So just I simply Makkah, then find out that MAKAK is same spelling we need to use. Okay. So then
Yeah.
simply put here.
Yeah.
Okay, just I simply put here. Okay. I find out the problem. This problem is that name one. Okay, name one is equal to Makkah. Okay, so let's go.
Name dash.
Yeah, name. Okay, name one because it's all of this column name in
Underscore
here.
one.
So name one equal to Makkah. I select the Makkah. So then it will show the Makkah. So just I simply use here.
Name one equal Makkah.
And click on the run.
It means equal, teacher?
Yeah.
EE.
EE means equal. And this EE means
The abbreviation
engine.
of EE.
Art
It
engine.
means equal.
It's meaning the art engine, and EQ means
Yes.
equal. Okay, so basically art engine function, it is a symbol about the EE. EE means that art engine.
Yes.
Yeah. So now it will work. You can see we can get only for the Makkah shape file in here. Okay, so this is the Makkah shape file you can get in here. You can see. Okay. So now suppose you want to make these different types of analysis using this boundary, then you can use it and do for the different types of Landsat, Sentinel, or NDVI, NWI, any types of work you can easily do using this boundary. Suppose you need the another boundary, suppose Al Madina, just simply you can check the what is the spelling Al Madina. So simply copy that. Why? Because it stored the all of those shape file. So now I can see showing that. Okay, so this is the shape file of Madina. Okay, again showing that shape file of Madina. But what's the problem when I want to show the Riyadh? So just I simply copy Riyadh and then paste here and click the run. So now I will work showing the Al Riyadh boundary. Yeah, so now okay. Okay, here's our Riyadh boundary. So this is the Riyadh boundary of the Saudi Arabia shapefile. Okay, so this is the process for filtering a specific boundary from a shapefile. Okay, just simply put this name,
Yes.
then we can and display the layer.
Okay.
Then we can get this shapefile. Okay, so in this time, suppose for this boundary, I need a Landsat image. Okay, for a specific time period. For
Yes.
this boundary, I need a Landsat image. Okay, so we talk about that. So let's go. So this is the talk about that how Landsat image. I also show you the Sentinel also. So Landsat first. So Landsat imagery, visualization for suppose Riyadh. For this region, I want to display the shape Landsat imagery. Using the same approach, you can do or visualize any boundary. Same method. Okay. So in this time I work for the Riyadh. And
Yes.
Riyadh shapefile is stored in here. AOI. So AOI is stored the Riyadh shapefile. I need the Landsat imagery for the Riyadh boundary. So how I can get this? So first of all, I simply click on here. You can see browse data catalog. Okay, click on here. And then you can see I click on the Landsat. Okay, I want to work for the Landsat. Okay, so click on the Landsat. So now it will be appeared all of those Landsat image collection. Okay, so here you can get all of this Landsat image collection. You can find out the Landsat 9, Landsat 8, Landsat 7, Landsat 5, Landsat 4, Landsat 1 to 5. Okay, so in this time you can see
Wow.
time period Landsat 9 2021 to present time. Okay, Landsat 8 2013 to present time. Landsat 7 1992 2021. Also you can see the Landsat 5 1984 to 2012. Landsat 4 1982 to 1993. Landsat 1 to 5 1972 from 1999. Okay, so this is the time period for the different types of image collection of Landsat. Landsat 9, Landsat 8, Landsat 7. Okay, so in this time, suppose I want to work for the Landsat 8. Okay, so click on the Landsat 8 imagery. And every class, I also give you some homework or assignment. So you also try to do that. Okay, because it also, when you want to do this type of assignment, you can easily understand about that, all of those things properly. And face any problem, then I will help you. There is no problem. Okay, so this is the Landsat 8 image collection. Now open.
Yes.
And this Landsat image collection, we can get some different types of sensor, such as surface reflectance, top of atmosphere, raw image. Okay, so three kind of image we can get in here. So which one you want to need? Suppose you need the surface reflectance, or need the top of atmospheric, or need the raw image. Which one you need? Simply click on here. Suppose I need the top of atmosphere. Click on the top of atmosphere.
For geology atmosphere.
Okay, so geology we can
it is better to download atmosphere.
Surface reflect is better for that geological purpose. Okay, I open the geological purpose. But same approach. When you want to do for that any types of work for the image, the same approach. Okay, so I simply open the surface reflectance image. So mainly we can get here the dataset availability date. You can see it will be start from the 2008 13 03 18 and it will be available for the 2023 0802. Okay, this time period it will be available between this time period. And data set provider is that USGS.
Yes.
Okay, so basically this is the USGS, United States of Geographical Survey. They are providing this type of Landsat imagery we can get from here. And you can see the Earth Engine snippet. Okay, so this Earth Engine snippet is the unique ID. Okay, so it is a unique ID. Okay, unique ID means that this data set we can easily get from unique ID. Okay, so I need to import in my code editor. Okay, so how I can import the data set? Okay, the first step is that import data set. Okay, for importing, how I can do? Just I simply copy it.
Yes.
Just copy. Okay, and paste in my code editor. You can see
Yes.
I simply paste
Copy
it
and
here.
paste. Yeah.
Yeah, and then give a variable name. You can use any variable. I put the variable LH, then equal sign. Okay, you can use any name. There is no problem. Okay, so now this data set is imported in my code editor. Okay, how I can do?
Teacher,
Just simply copy.
you don't write. I'm not. I'm not see your right. Your copy paste in the.
Okay, so for that you can simply select it.
You didn't.
Select.
You didn't.
Then click on the right click and copy. Okay, simply select it and then
Yes.
click here the rep and paste. You can see
Go to
the
code
paste.
edit.
Okay,
Code
is
edit.
it okay? Okay, is it okay now for you?
Yes. Now
Yeah.
okay.
And then give a variable name.
Now-
You can use
now
any
okay.
variable name. Okay, so in this time I import this image collection of Landsat 8. Okay, so this image collection we got for the whole world. Okay, basically this image collection is for whole world. Okay, but in this time I need this image collection for this region of Riyadh. Okay, so for that I simply use at the filter bounds function. Okay, filter bounds time which boundary you want to need this image, just filter it using the filter bounds function. In this time I need for the Riyadh. Okay, and Riyadh is stored in this variable AOI. Okay, simply copy the variable name, just click and copy and paste here. Okay, so in this time what happened, you can see this image collection I filter for my region. Okay, Riyadh, and Riyadh is stored in this AOI. Okay, after that, and this image collection, suppose I need the image for a specific time period, year of 2021 or 22, any time period, just simply use at the filter date function. Okay, date function, filter date function, put here the start date and end date. Okay, so start date is that, suppose I put the start date is that 2020, suppose 1st January from 2020 December 31. Between this time period I get all of those images. Okay, suppose I want to check how many images I get, simply use at the print function and then call the variable name LH and paste here use at the size function and then click to the run. So just click to the run and check the console tab. Console, we can get 634 images. Okay, 634 images I get for this region of Riyadh. Okay, for Riyadh region I find out 634 images between the time period year of 2020. Okay, After that, from 634 images, I also need to filter. I want to filter. I need only for this image, which image will be not more than 1% cloud cover. Okay, so 634 from this image, I just select only for this image, which image will be not more than 1% cloud cover. Okay, 1% cloud cover. I need only for this image from the 634. How I can do that? Simply use the filter metadata function. Okay, so this is the filter metadata function for filtering the image properties. Okay, you can see the image information sheet. Here I can get the image properties. You can see image properties. You can see the cloud cover land. I want to need cloud cover. Simply copy that cloud cover and then paste here. Okay, so then put here the less than 1. Okay, so now from 634 images, I just select less than 1% cloud cover image. So now let's check how many images is available. So simply click to the run.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Variable 80, what it means? This
It's not 18. I can use here the L8, lowercase L and 8. You can use anything, any name. I put suppose name, any name, suppose image.
L8.
Then it also image.
Okay,
You can use any name. There is no problem. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I get it.
Yeah. So in this time, all of those things is stored the image variable. Okay. I simply get how many images I can get in here. 466 images I can get in here, because mainly Saudi Arabia region, the because all time we can get the cloud free, because this region is not a mass rainfall. Okay, it's not happened the mass rainfall.
Yes.
So that's why we all time we can get the lot of images. So in this time for the Riyadh we can get the 466 images. Okay, and without this function, suppose I simply remove the function and check how many images I can get. I hope we can get the same number of images, because okay, you can see 634 images. But when I apply the function less than 1% cloud cover, I can get 600. It also reduce some images. I can get 600. Okay, 466 images.
Yeah.
Okay. So for this region of Riyadh, you can see for the So for the region of Riyadh, I find out 466 images is available, and this image is the less than 1% cloud cover.
Yes, it's cloud less than 1.
Yeah. So now using 466 images, I create the composite. Okay. So now talk about the composite. So what is the composite? Okay. So mainly I also write the comment. Suppose composite. So image collection reduce using composite. Composite can be composite types. It can be median composite. It can be mosaic composite. It can be mean composite. Okay. So mainly we are using here the median and mosaic. These two type of composite we need to use. Okay. So now from 466 images, I create the median composite. So how I can do? Just I simply put here the dot notation and put here the median function. Okay. So now 466 images make one composite. It's called the median composite. Okay. So now let's go. We just simply display the image. Okay. So in this time, you can see when I put here the median, then size function is not work. Okay, size function is not working this time. You can say when I click to the run, in this time it's showing the problem. It's not working. You can see it's not work. Image.size
Why?
is not a function. It's not work because when I use at the median, then it create the one image. Okay, from 466 image, make a one image. Okay, so in this time you can see I simply remove that median and click to the run. In this time, it's showing the collection. You can see 466 image collection. Size is only work for the collection. But when I put at the median, then it will be not an image collection. It create only the single median image. And this single median image create from this image collection. Okay. So in the use the median function, then this size function is not work because size is only work for image collection.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, the net cut and then return back.
Okay, so now it's clear, yeah?
Now I hear you.
Okay.
Now I hear you.
Okay, so now I simply display the layer. So I can simply, so in this time I want to add a layer. So how I can do, what's the function I need to use? I need to use map.addLayer function. Simply copy that. Same function, I need a layer. And then
Map add layer.
What I want to use in this time, I want to show the image. Okay, all of those things is stored in here. Simply copy. And then paste. Okay, then click to the run. In this time, this image is loaded for the Riyadh region. You can see that 3 layers. One layer for the whole country boundary of Saudi Arabia, one layer for the Riyadh, and another layer for Saudi Arabia region. In this time, you can see it will be working. Yeah. In this time, you can see I get the satellite images look like that. Okay. So if you want to add the,
I can't see, please, teacher.
Yeah.
Just I find composite image collection reduce using. I didn't see these steps. The last step.
Yeah, median. Okay.
Yes. Now.
So in this time,
yes,
what happened?
Now.
When I put the median, here I can get total 462 images. Okay, 462 images I can get. From 462 images, it get the median pixel value and create this composite. Okay, so this is the composite. Suppose I make the example. Suppose you can see image collection. Collection. Image collection. How many images I can get? 467. Okay, 466 images I want to get. This is my image collection. When I put at the median, then this image collection make a single image. Okay, single image. Okay, but
this is like comment.
Yeah, combination. It create the 466 image combination and make the median composite. Okay, when I put here the median function. Okay.
Okay.
I want to display the result. So simply click on here and I set the band combination. Suppose I set the band combination such as red, before is the red, then green and blue color. And also increase the reflectance stress 98%. And then apply it. Okay, I can get the image look like that, you can see. Okay, in this time it look like that. But when I clip it, I can see I need to clip with my boundary. This is my boundary shape file. Okay, I need to clip. So for that, use here the clip function. Clip. Okay, clip with boundary. What is the boundary variable name? Boundary variable name is that AY. Simply copy.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
Riyadh
yes.
is stored in this variable AY,
Mm.
and then paste. So now click to the run again. In this time, I can get the result only for the Riyadh. So I can see there is the one layer for the Saudi Arabia and two is the Riyadh, and also it loaded the only for the bound. We can get the shape land set image, median composite year of 2020. You can see display the. So in this time, it set the visualization. Click on here setting button and set such as pen 4, red, green,
Mm.
and blue, and also 98% stress, and apply it. So now it get the visualization.
Mm.
Yeah, so now I can see
Yes.
the
Yeah,
visualization
yeah, yeah,
about
yeah.
that, and it is the cloud free images we can get in here. You can see.
Mm. If I want to save this images when I open in other programs like
Okay, I
MV,
also
like
I also show you
I
that.
show I show with the full bands or only 3 band. If I want to save
It
it with
okay. Okay,
one
so
band.
in this time, in the visualization, we can only show the 3 band. But
Mm.
if you want to
Yes.
more band, we can also export it. There is no problem. So in this time,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
simply click the import. You can see import. Click the import.
Mm.
And when I click on the import, you can see new line of code will be added in here. So import, you can see it will be added.
Mm.
Okay. Simply copy it.
Mm.
Copy and then
Mm.
paste after the image.
Mm.
Okay. So now when I click the run, it will be set with my code. This visual will be set.
Ah.
You can see in this time it will be set with my code, and I did not add the visualization again in here because I put this variable name
Mm.
in here after the image. Put add the visualization and visualize import the visualization in here. Copy the name and
Mm.
then simply paste in here. So now I can say I can get the image look like that. So it is the natural
Mm.
color about the Saudi Arabia region. I can get the image look like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this image I need to export and use it. Suppose
Yeah.
QGIS software or other geospatial software I need to use. How I can export
Yes.
it? So let's go about it, talk about that for the exporting option. And in this time, this image is created 3 band. Okay, this image
Mm.
created by 3 band. You can check the
Mm.
band name: red, B4, B3, and B2. Red,
Me too.
green, and
Yeah.
blue band. Create this composite. Okay, band. Create this
Mm.
image. Okay, so let's go about that. We simply export this image and then work with other software how we can really do. So let's go.
Mm.
So for that, I can simply talk about the export option. Export. So export imagery.